Ready to unlock the secrets to crafting eye-catching plaid digital paper that will elevate your designs. Let's begin by opening your preferred graphic design software and creating a new document. A square canvas, like 1000 by 1000 pixels, works great for seamless patterns. Next, grab your rectangle tool and start drawing horizontal stripes alternate to your chosen colors for a classic plaid look. Ensure each stripe is perfectly aligned to avoid any gaps in your final pattern. Now, repeat the process, but this time create vertical stripes that intersect your horizontal ones. Experiment with different widths for variety. To give your plaid a more realistic depth, play with blending mode. Set one layer to multiply. This will create interesting color interactions where the stripes overlap. Add a subtle texture. Use a nose filter or find a linen texture image. Reduce the opacity so the texture enhances, but doesn't overpower, the pattern. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color palettes. Monochromatic, complementary, or even analogous color schemes can give your plaid a unique feel. To make this a usable asset, define your creation as a pattern. Now you can fill any shape with your unique plaid design. And there you have it, stunning digital plaid paper ready to add a classic touch to your digital designs. Like this video and subscribe for more graphic design tips and tricks.